VET has found a new bottom since the FTX collapse. Let's find out where it could be going next. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, and today I'm going to be talking to you about VeChain. Now, this isn't a coin we've covered in a very long time, so I'm excited to go over it and give you a price prediction for the next few days. Before we get into it, though, I have to let you know that the indicators you're going to see me use are on sale for just the next few days. So if you want to get access, the links can be found in the description. And later in the video, I'll give you more information on how to access them. Let's get started with the analysis. Right now, I'm looking at VeChain on the tradeconfident.io website. First up is the emotional index. Now, the blue line has fallen into fearful territory. We all know the term, be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. Well, this blue line is going to tell you what others are feeling. Right now, people are feeling very fearful in the market, especially after this major drop. You can see right here, this is the new bottom that has been formed for VeChain. Next up is VeChain smart money. After the drop, we saw long trade sentiment enter the market for whales and smart money. Most often as the price drops, as we expect, whales are going to be buying the dip, and that's exactly what we've been seeing recently. We still have a long sentiment bar right now. This orange bar right here most recently is pointing to the upside towards long sentiment. The sentiment is decreasing, so we'll have to keep an eye on it. That's likely due to just a little bit of a move up here. But overall, whales are likely buying. Next is the VeChain breakout detector. What this is going to tell us is whether we're more likely to see an impulse move or consolidation or anywhere in between. Right now, the green bars are in consolidation, so it's very likely we're going to see sideways movement for the time being. The higher these bars are in consolidation, the more likely this is. Next is VeChain major support and resistance level. You can see we've actually broken the 1.7 cent support line here, and we've crashed back down, and that has become a structural resistance at this point. We'll be able to get a closer look at this on the 4-hour time frame. Next up is the VeChain daily trade scanner here. Now you can see the price has fallen right towards the green line. We're using that as structure support right now, and most often when that happens, we'll actually see it moves to the upside. We're also at about the same point as a green liquidity pool here. This means there was a lot of long trades likely at this point. Right now, there's no green liquidity pool, but it's very possible as we move farther down, if we do move farther down, that we could see that happen. So that would be bullish sentiment as well. Overall, from all of these metrics, these are feeling pretty bullish for VeChain, which is great to see. However, before we make any definitive predictions, I want to take a closer look at the 4-hour time frame on TradingView. Now, the indicators you're about to see me use are on sale right now. The biggest sale of the year, up to $450 off. So if you want to get access for the best prices you can this year, click the link in the description. It'll bring you to this page here. The best possible deal is to snag the bundle pack using code HOLIDAY50 for $50 off. This will give you access to the price versus while money flow and trend exhaustion indicators you're going to see me use, as well as 7 other amazing indicators. On top of this, it'll give you a $400 right here, $400 off coupon for the TC top and bottom finder indicator. This is the 3rd indicator you're going to see me use. This combination is crazy. But that $400 off will get you that $450 off total. This is cheaper than you can get the TC top and bottom finder by itself, unless you use Holiday 350. If you want to get the access to this indicator by itself, just use Holiday 350 for $350 off. It's lifetime access for a one-time payment and full dedicated email support. Don't take it from us though. This person made 10 grand in their first 3 days. This person made $4,300 in just a week, $950 in just a day. Absolutely crazy what our traders have been able to do with these indicators. Again, if you want to get access, links are in the description. Let's get a closer look. Right now, I'm looking at VeChain on the 4-hour time frame using the TC top and bottom finder price versus well money flow and trend exhaustion indicators. The first thing I'm looking at right here is typically chart structures. The first thing I'm looking at right now is the structure support at 1.6 cents right here, this green line. This is what we've been testing, and this comes after testing structure resistance at 1.7 cents. For now, I wouldn't be surprised to be moving between this channel. After all, the breakout detector did see consolidation, so I think we could be moving within this little channel for some time. On the 4-hour time frame, the TC top and bottom finder has seen a couple small liquidity pools. We bounced right into it right here and saw a quick move up as would be expected. In the very short term, I'm talking last couple days since the price versus well money flow dropped, we're seeing a trend up, while the price continues to head downwards in the same period of time. Now, the overall trend is downtrending, but I think just based on this little bit of movement here, we could see moves up. Now, if we do see that move up, I think we're heading back to structural resistance at 1.7 cents. If we do somehow break below, I think this would take external factors in the market. I don't think that's anything VeChain would do. So if Bitcoin broke down, which we'll have to see, check out Travis's video on that today. It'll give you really good insight on where he thinks the market is going, and I agree with him there. I don't think we're going to see anything crazy bearish happen. Just if we do, though, 1.4 cents is the move, the next structure support. However, again, I think the move is going to be up to 1.7 cents to meet structure resistance and follow into that consolidation pattern, moving up and down between these two structure supports and resistances. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. We really appreciate it. That is my outlook on VeChain for the next few days. Now, I have to mention it one more time. If you want to get access to the indicators you just saw me use, they are working incredibly. They are on sale for the biggest sale of the year right now. So if you want to get access, links are in the description. With that, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the next video.